Yeah, I was really motivated to go for the ECIH certification because I saw how fast cyber threats were changing and getting more complex. In my role, I was seeing more and more incidents every day, and I realized I needed to up my game. I wanted to get deep into the details of incident handling, really understand how to tackle these problems head on. The ECIH seemed like the right path for that. It was all about getting the skills I needed to protect the organizations I work with. More than just learning theory, I wanted to be ready for real-like situations, and ECIH was the way to make that happen. Getting the ECIH certification really boosted my career. It opened up opportunities for higher positions that were not available to me before. What really mattered to me, though, was how my colleagues and boss started seeing me differently. That began to rely on me for important decisions in incident handling, which was exactly the kind of recognition I was hoping for. The course changed a lot for me, especially in how I approach problems in cybersecurity. It taught me to see the bigger picture. Now, when I handle an incident, I think about how it affects everything in the organization, not just for the immediate problem. This way of thinking was really helped me grow in my role. The labs in the ECIH program were the best part for me. They felt very real, almost like I was dealing with actual incidents. Plus, the instructors shared files on the labs, and I think they shared their own experiences, which brought the lessons to life. It wasn't just theoretical learning, it was practical and relatable, because I'm working in a cybersecurity company, so I see a lot of phishing attacks every day. So thanks to my ECIH training, I can quickly identify how the attack is happening, and then I'm coordinating with my team and stopping attacks from causing more harm. Yes, I've done a few others. Certified ethical hacker, certified SOC analyst, certified threat intelligence analyst, and data protection officer, and many others. But ECIH is different because it's so focused on the incident handling. The other courses gave me a good general background in cybersecurity, but ECIH really drilled down into what you need to know to respond to incidents effectively. That's been incredibly useful in my work. For anyone who wants to get into incident handling or work in a SOC team, ECIH training is essential. It teaches you not just to react to incidents, but to think proactively about preventing them. This training is crucial for building a solid foundation for a successful career in these roles. ECIH training and certification does a great job of keeping up with new and changing threats. It's not just about what's happening now, it teaches you what you to think about what could happen next. This is really important because the world of cybersecurity sorry about that. World of cybersecurity is always changing, and you need to be prepared for whatever comes next every time. Before taking the ECIH course, I found it challenging to coordinate responses to cyber incidents, especially under pressure. The course taught me effective ways to manage these situations, which has been a huge help in my job. In my current company, I work as a product manager. We develop instant response tools, phishing simulations, etc. So I need to be aware about cybersecurity. I started in general IT role and gradually found my way into cybersecurity. Each job taught me something new, but the ECIH certification was really real turning point. It's helped me move into more senior roles and has shaped my future goals because I mainly focus on cybersecurity roles in my career. So next goal for me, maybe I can be a CISO in a company or similar roles, I think. Yes, I have completed the certified ethical hacker, CSH and CSE, I think, certified SOC and analyst. So as I mentioned before, combining these with the ECIH gave me the well-rounded skill set, and I've got a broad view of cybersecurity from ethical hacking to and also digital forensics and now incident handling. I definitely would recommend the ECIH course, especially to anyone interested in incident handling or cybersecurity in general. It's not just about the knowledge you gain, it's about the practical skills and the confidence to apply what you learn. If you are serious about a career in cybersecurity, ECIH is a great choice.